It really doesn't look like chipping. I mean, it just looks like I just put it over the paint. I did 3 coats. Well, I guess that's the worn effects, so it just, I guess you can kind of tell. And when after I 3D printed this, I just heated it up with the heat gun, and I took the edge of this and was just making little dents in it right there to make it look right there, make it look like it's been through some shit. But that's the ammo light wash, light rust. It's acrylic, and it just, after you dab it, you know, with the water, it creates that rust automatically. You don't have to use any other chemicals. That's why I didn't use the enamels. So you get some pretty cool effects with that bottle. And I just apply enough to get it. I applied like 2 coats so you can get more of that streaking. You just put water on it and it'll just streak down. But that's exactly what I was going for.